I heard that too, buddy. I don't know what kind of animal it is. You can't really see anything, can you? Yeah, it's like a weird whistle. An exhale and a whistle. Let's see if we can capture it again. It sounds like an animal, like a bird or something. I don't hear it anymore, buddy. I don't hear it anymore. I hear it, that noise maybe once every few months. It's like an exhale. It's like a whistly exhale. It's really loud. Got Cinnabon's attention. And he's approaching it too, so he's not afraid, I don't think. Unless he's on lookout. Come on, animal, please make the sound again. Huh? I'm gonna shut the door, buddy. I think whatever it is done for now. There we go. Yeah, that was interesting, huh, buddy? Yeah. He's intrigued. As am I. Cinnabon's intrigued. Yeah, what you doing, buddy? You keeping a lookout for me? I appreciate it. Hey, honey, you're tired, aren't you? Well, I'm going to bed too, so you can join me, okay? Yeah. Hi, sweetie. It's a rainy morning. Hey, buddy. Nobody can see you because my camera is really bad in the dark. Whoa. Someone slept in with me for a little bit. Yeah. Oh, didn't you? Yeah. Now you can kind of see him. Barely. Yeah. He's mad because I got to get up and get ready for work. Yeah. Working from home today, but... Hey, buddy. You already got food. Wet food and everything, okay? I got to take a shower, alright? Mm-hmm. Got to take a shower. Yeah. Got to take a shower now. I know you don't want me to, but I have to. Yeah. I gotta get ready for work. I gotta get ready for work. Which will be from home today, which will be kind of nice for you. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Now let me get ready, okay? I gotta get ready now. Yeah. Yeah, gotta get ready. Gotta get ready. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Little stretchy kitty, huh? Yeah. Cinnabon getting some clean water. Yeah. Cinnabon, before I have to start work, would you like some treats? It's raining outside, so I'm pretty sure you don't want to go outside right now. We'll go ahead and get some treats for him. There we go. I found some. Ooh, we got quite a few today. 6, 7. We'll put a few back. That's a little too many. Okay. Come here, buddy. Come here. Ooh, treat time. Ah, there he goes. And I gotta work, and I know you won't like that. But there's work to be done, okay? There's another. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah. We got 3 left, okay? 3 treats left. There we go. Here's another one. Huh. Last one for now, buddy. Here you go. Okay. Yeah. Well, dude, I'm gonna make some hot chocolate and get my work day started, okay? So you'll be a good kitty while I do that, okay? You'll be a good kitty. Yeah. I wish I could stay here and just play. Well, I am gonna stay here, but I wish I could play with you all day. Yeah, but that's not. I can't do that. I gotta work, okay? He probably wants to play downstairs. Buddy, you're gonna have to entertain yourself for a while because I gotta get working, okay? Yeah. You want outside? Okay. You insist. Kind of windy and wet out there, buddy. It's raining and windy. I don't think you want out there. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna get back to the stove, okay? Gotta close the door. Put your head. You wanna get your head? Okay. Making hot chocolate. Yeah. Check out my sweet Jurassic Park Ranger mug. Cinnabon's probably upstairs sleeping or downstairs sleeping. Got a pretty heavy rain. I'm not gonna open the slider because it'll disturb Cinnabon's sleep. The rain sure makes the deck look nice, doesn't it? After the next winter, I think I'm gonna scrub the parts of it that need to be redone and then do a nice big touch-up on it. Which you have to do with this kind of stain. It's kind of a pain, but it's well worth it because it's pretty nice looking. Such a good kitty cat while Daddy's working hard. Yeah. Pretty comfortable like that, huh, buddy? Yeah, as you should be. Well, it's lunchtime, but I got at least one other call I gotta make, so yeah, I know. You already had wet food, mister. Yeah, this morning, or early in the morning. Yeah. He left around, what time did he leave? Like 4 or 5? And it was raining and I checked and within minutes he was back. I kind of figured he would come back, so I checked and he was back. And I gave him food then and then I went back to bed and then Cinnabon joined me later. But then we had to both wake up, or I had to wake up, yeah. You wanna go outside, buddy? You wanna go outside? Okay, it's kind of getting nice out there, so I can't blame you. I still got half a work day ahead of me, so you go ahead and have fun out there, okay? Well, thank you everybody for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. You be a good kitty, okay?